YouTube family, it's your boy Jay coming at you on this new day, bringing y'all some J's. Maybe not some J's, man, hey, but you know it's some heaters. It's some hype if it's coming from your boy Jay, because I am a hype beast. Yes, hype beast Jay. But hey man, how y'all feeling out there, man? Hopefully y'all feeling good. Glad to have y'all with your boy once again for another vid, man. Hey, start it off, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Hey, show that support, that's all I ask, man. You don't gotta donate, do none of that crazy, spend money, free. I ain't trying to get in your pockets. Just hit that like button for your boy. I would truly appreciate it. As well as if this is your first time stopping through, man, we need y'all to tap in by hitting that subscribe button, man. So hey, those two things is all I need you to do. Actually, I got one more, man. Hit that notification bell as well, man. Hey, make sure you are part of the Noti fam, and you know you getting all the notifications as soon as these vids and other things drop, man. As well as, dang, I got a lot of things I'm trying to tell y'all to do, man. Follow me on Instagram too. But besides that, man, hey, we about to get into some unboxings. Or is it I'm gonna show y'all one unboxing, and I'm gonna show y'all a sneak peek of some kicks that are up and coming. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts on those. But let's go ahead and dive into this vid, man, by starting with which one I want to do first. Let's check out these kicks that I got, man. A sneak peek of some early kicks, man. Oh, sheesh, yes, bang, man. You see what's going on right here, man. You see the box, you see it, man. This has gotta be something hype, bro. This really low-key look like a cereal box, man. You see that? See that? It look like a cereal box, don't it? But you do get this on the front. It says Nike X social status right down on the box, as you can see on the bottom. But this is actually kind of dope, man. Take a look at the side, bro. When you take a look at the side, you got like some ingredients of what's in the shoe, man. I ain't gonna read them all off, but check that out real quick, man. Do y'all know what this is? I sound like Jermaine Dupri just now. Do y'all know what this is? This is a I'm wildin', man. But anyways, man, it comes in this type of box, which is like very creative. It got a lot of different things on it, bro. You also got like a shooting target type thing or whatever right there in the middle of it. You got open, lift up here, a lot of details on this box, man. But this is the Nike Dunk /SS social status. This is a size 9, personal size, as y'all can see right there, man. Personal pair. Hype Beast J in the building. But yeah, man, these right here, you know, might have mixed feelings about. But I tell you what, this is one of them shoes that when you put them on feet, they look 20 times, 30 times, 40 times better than what they look when you just looking at them in hand or in pictures. But let me show y'all some details, man. Take a look at that, man. The paper, you got like some little people, some cartoon sketches of people on that paper right there. But taking out the shoe, man, this is the James Whitman. I think it's James Whitman. I think that's what his name is. James Whitman collab with Social Statics and, you know, Nike Dunks, man. Bang, the strawberry milk, I think that's what these called. The strawberry milk joints, and they're like in a mid form, you know what I'm saying? Like you see how that top is cut off, bro. Like this is in the form of a mid and a dunk. So I ain't gonna hold you, man. They look like trash when you're looking at them like this, but on feet, man, hey, take a look at James right there, man. James has them on feet right there, and he also has that other colorway, which I am a bigger fan of than the strawberry, that mocha colorway. That mocha brown colorway is fire. I want that colorway, but that is close to like $1,000 in my size. Pretty much almost in anybody's size. But hey, they look so much better on feet, man. But yeah, man, check them out. This is gonna be just a quick first look at them, you know. Nothing crazy. I will probably throw these on feet. More than likely, I will throw them on feet and give y'all a detailed review of these because they just dope, man. Like I said, this holding them in hand is not doing them justice. Y'all probably killing me right now in the comments saying how trash these are, but trust me, once I throw these on feet, style them up a little bit, you're gonna be like, okay, those are fire. And these are going to be some attention grabbers. When you have these on feet and you styling them right, man, trust me, all eyes will be on these kicks, man. They're gonna be like, what are those, man? And it's crazy because You got an all over olive bottom, man. All over olive bottom. So this is a very dope shoe, man. It looks like you got like a Nike swoosh that's like in a bubble, and they got like water or some type of gel inside of that swoosh, man. It's kind of smushy, but it's like some sort of a gel material or something inside the swoosh, man. So details, bro. This is a very detailed shoe. You got the rope style laces, man. Just a lot going on. Extra set of laces that come with it. So hey, we will definitely check these out on another video dedicated all to this shoe. But yeah, man, this is just a quick first look at the James Whitman Social Status collab, the Dunks, the strawberry milk colorway. But man, there's a lot going on, man. Suedes, leathers, nubuck, a lot going on, man. But hey, last look, man. And before we get into the unboxing, man, I do have to give a big shout out to, look, I didn't want to butcher my guy's name, so I had to pull it up. But Nitty Belafonte, man. Big shout out to him, man, because look, bro, he hooked your boy up with a ton of these dad hats, as you can see right here, man. This is one of them. His brand name, I guess, goes by Fly Zone, and very fly, bro. Very fly stuff that he has. He sent me over, like, check it out right here, man. He sent me over tons of these dad hats, and like I can go on like for days showing y'all different shoes that I have that can go with these, man. See, I got a shoe that's way down here. I would grab it, but if y'all checked out my last unboxing video, my ghost green ones, you see how I had those lavender laces inside of them? Check it out right here. This would go perfect with it. Got that light lavender purple, you know, dad hat style on it. So I'll probably pull these out with my ghost greens with those lavender laces in them, and something just calm, man. A calm fit. That's gonna be very dope. That's around, you know, spring, you know, Easter vibes, somewhere around there. But he sent your boy that light purple one. He sent me this like a tan, like a khaki. Is that like a tannish khaki, light khaki colorway? You know what I'm saying? What is that, like Lifesavers? I think that's like Lightsavers or something on there. Or actually, that's the things that they hold at the airport, of course, when they're directing the planes and stuff. I do not know any airport terminology, so I don't even know what they call those, but that's what that is, man. This is a very dope one. That navy blue with that red hit, man. So definitely we'll be pulling these out, man, like 4th of July vibes, or just, you know, anytime, man. But definitely I'll pull this out with some red, white, and blue gear. I did get that light, what is that, like a turquoise color. You know what I'm saying? So very dope, man. He sent your boy over quite a few of these, and you will definitely be seeing me rock these in these videos. So got that pink one. You gotta have some pink, man. You gotta have some pink, you know what I'm saying, in the collection. So got that one, and of course we got that New York knit colorway, man. So big shout out to Nitty Belafonte again, man. Check him out on Instagram. I will link him down below in the description. Grab you some of this merch because hey, it's dope, man. I appreciate him for sending this to your boy, and like I said, man, y'all gonna be seeing me rock these type of hats in the videos. Just know it came from my guy Nitty Belafonte, man. But with that out the way, we gonna dive into what your boy done picked up, man. Is it hype? Is it trash? Is it GR? I don't know, man. Let's get into it. Right on time. Right on time. Bang, man. Here we go, man. Your boy got a package here. I don't know whether this package came from StockX or if it came from GOAT. I'm trying to find my box cut. I don't know where it's at right now, but I ordered like 3 pairs of shoes, and they all coming in one by one on their own time. So I don't know which one this is. But we gonna find out right now together. So popping it open, what we got? Okay, looking at the box, I think I know which one this is. Actually, it could be 2 different things. It could be 2 different things. So I think it is what I think it is because of what your boy has on. So I might be right. I might be right on this one, because this one was the one that was expected to come first. So could be something else, man. But taking a look at the box, you got that Nike box right here, man. What could it be? Could it be a Air Max? Could it be a Dunk? Could it be Griffey? Anything. You know these boxes, man. If you know, got that Nike box right there, that red Nike box. This is not an orange one. The color blocking and the tag reads Nike Dunk Low SE. So this is a dunk. And speaking of dunks, man, I will be hitting y'all with my full dunk collection coming up soon, man. So make sure y'all tap in for that, man. Hey, drop some 100s, some fire emojis, all that stuff down below in the comments. Spam it, as well as hit that like button for that dunk collection video, man. Cause hey, if y'all don't want to watch it, if y'all don't want it, I ain't gonna bring it to y'all. But enough chit chatting, man. Opening it up. This one did come from StockX, so you do get your little StockX paper that they send you with the writing blah blah. Don't need that. But anything else, man? Hey, not too much going on, but go ahead and show y'all what your boy got in here, man. So what I picked up was, bang! I didn't even know it was this one, but this is the Nike Dunk Low Dusty Olive, man. I had to think about that, man. I thought this was a whole different shoe, but Dusty Olive Dunks. Bang! Here they go. The Nike Dunk Dusty Olives. And is your shoe supposed to come tied up like that? You know what that tell me? StockX, y'all on that bullshit, as well as somebody had tried these on, man. But I guess, you know, I understand it to a certain extent, because, you know, you can get shoes from Foot Action, Foot Locker, and all them stores that have been tried on, because you're allowed to try on shoes when you go to your department stores and stuff. So same thing, you know what I'm saying? But the only thing I hate, man, they gotta have like a point where it's like, okay, we're not gonna take those. Like if a shoe's creased, which you know, looking at this one, it is not creased, you know, so that's a plus that these are not creased. But they will straight up send you some creased shoes. We're gonna take a look at both of them, make sure that everything is good. But they both looking good, both of them looking good, no creases. But they will send you a shoe that look like somebody was tiptoeing, like straight up standing on their tiptoes in the shoe for about 30 minutes straight. Put them in the box, send it to you. Like they'll sell a shoe and say that passed their authentication. But that's the only thing with StockX and GOAT. eBay, I don't know how they rock out too much, but I know StockX and GOAT, they will straight up sell you a shoe that is creased to the max and say that it passed their, you know what I'm saying, test or whatnot, man. But here they go, man, the Dusty Olive Dunks, man. I know I have dragged this video out long enough already, man. Y'all want to see your own feet to this? Like I said, man, hit that like button, run them likes up, and I will hit y'all with my full dunk collection. And my dunk collection has gotten crazy in the last 9 months, man. Like crazy how many dunks I got in the past 9 months. I bought my first dunk in December, like December 26th, my first dunk ever. Check out the video, the Nike Dunk Chunky Dunkies. The Chunky Dunkies was my first dunk I ever purchased in my YouTube or my life, career, whatever you want to call it. But since then, your boy has been going crazy. But like I said, man, I will hit y'all with the collection video, and that is it for this video. The Dusty Olive Dunks, as well as the Strawberry Milk James Whitmans, man. So hey, y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on both these. These are both dunks. Just hey, crazy. But let me know y'all thoughts on these, which ones y'all rocking with. I already know y'all probably gonna pick these, but if you feeling these, let me know. But that's it for this one. Your boys checking out, man. Y'all stay blessed. I am gone. So till the next time, man, peace.